Hello guys! Today I have 15 euro session because I'm bankrupt. Hola! Bom dia! Isto... Não, tenho uma sessão de 15 euros. Porque isto falida. Todos os dias. Doação para Santa Casa. Every day. Donation to Portugal Lottery. I have the new tickets. Novas Raspadinhas. Nova versão, Aranha da Sorte, new version. Okay, let's start with this. Tribo Mágico. The hell is the rules here? Se encontrar três quantias iguais, three like prices, ganha essa quantia. To win the prize shown. Se encontrar dois quantias, two like prices, is not punto, no punto. A símbolo euro. Ganha o duplo. Oh, Lord of mercy. It's not three like prices, and if I uncover two like prices with this symbol, very difficult rules. To rob the players is very easy. Okay, let's use full scratcher. Portuguese channel. His wife is from the Philippines, like me. Okay, so euro, 2 euro. Oh Lord, far from reality. Euro, 2. Even 1 euro is no. Set. Let's go to size. 5, 2, 5. Decimal, 4. Ay, Lord, start with bad luck. This 1 euro ticket, guys, is a joke. This 1,000, 5, euro, 50, 50. Ay, Lord. This ticket, guys, is the tickets in Portugal were made for donation. Where and are? Ay, 100. One more 100. Ay, this mail. Euro. Sure. 1 euro, 100% is sure. Okay, so I found a win. 1 euro, as expected. Oh, the ticket number 4. Can I win more than 1 euro shit? 100, 100, 4, 5, 10, 10. Ay, Lord. Okay, so out of 5, I got 1 euro. This 1 euro ticket. Okay, so I got the new version, Nova Versaun. Ticket number 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 30 a 30, no, 30 a 34. Where is the 30 here? Okay, how to win? Back to basic. We are looking for spider to win operation. Spider web to win 20. Before, there were a lot of chances to win, and now only 2 chances. Oh, this is Johnny shit. Okay. To like symbols, you don't see on cualquier jogos encontrar 2 símbolos iguais. Also. See en cualquier 2 jogos encontrar 2 símbolos iguais. So this is a winner. Okay. Ganha o premio de cada uno de los jogos correspondientes. Okay, so 2 like prizes you can win also. I understood it right. Si en cualquier 2 jogos encontrar Dois símbolos iguais. Okay, so two like symbols. So I found a win. Okay, so I found a win. Okay, so I found a car. How much? €5. Not bad. €5 is not bad. Ainda se encontrar dois jogos encontrar dois símbolos iguais. Okay, so I'm sure I win. Okay, so I found €5. Not bad. 30. Let's go to 31. So two like symbols is a win also. Okay. I studied Portuguese, guys. Portuguese language. I can understand more by reading than by listening because they pronounce the words. My husband is Portuguese, but at home we talk in English. So my Portuguese language doesn't improve so much. Okay, so I think this is not a winner. Okay, 31. My husband is a journalist, guys, so he's fluent in English. And ele now tenho paciencia. He has no patience to talk to me in Portuguese, guys. Hi, winner again. Woohoo, winner. I thought this winner, but this is a lasso and lasso y borboleta. It's a ribbon and butterfly. It looks the same. Okay, so I found another win. Come on, give me one more. Okay, so only one win. Chave for €2. Not bad. So I got €8 out of 15. Not bad. Okay, 32. Let's go to 33. I like to find what's that? My favorite symbol, Aranya. Aranya. Hi, winner again. Wow. Back to back, 33, 32. The same spot. Okay. 32, 33, the same spot. Okay. Come on, give me one more win. One more win. I want to see spider. Spider, no spider. Okay, so how much? Let's see the word here. Ay, 5. Wow. 5, guys. So I got how much? 5, 12. I got 13 already. Wow. Almost back. 3 winning tickets, guys. 3 winning tickets. 30, 32, 33. Wow. If this is a winner, it's crazy. Come on, ticket. I got how much? 13 out of 15. Not bad session. It's not a bad session. I don't say that. Symbols, guys. First of all, I'm a symbol blind person. Come on, Aranya. No Aranya. No. It's not the same. Masa and Kofre. Okay, so prices. Okay, so not bad, guys. Look how much I won. 2. Then 5. So 7 mais 5. Where's the 5? 5, so 12. 12 mais euro. 13. Okay? 13 euro. Back out of 15 euro session. So it's a good session, guys. It's a good session. This 1 euro shit is always like 1 euro. 1 euro shit. Okay? About 5 and I got 1 win and 1 euro. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.